Hello everyone! Are you tired of waiting for your air conditioner to cool down your room? Well, in today's video, I've got 13 mind-blowing ideas to help you cool down your space quickly and make the most of your air conditioner. Let's get started. Clean your air conditioner's filters regularly. Dirty filters restrict airflow, making your AC work harder and less efficiently. By keeping them clean, you'll ensure optimal cooling performance. Set your thermostat to a lower temperature than you actually want. This will prompt the air conditioner to work harder and cool the room faster. Once it reaches your desired temperature, you can adjust it back to save energy. Use fans to enhance air circulation. Place a fan near the air conditioner vent to help distribute the cool air throughout the room more effectively. Close curtains or blinds during the day to block out sunlight. Sunlight can heat up your room, making it harder for the air conditioner to cool it down. Keep those blinds closed and enjoy a cooler space. Apply reflective window film to your windows. This film reflects the sun's rays, reducing heat gain and keeping your room cooler. Invest in blackout curtains. These curtains have a thermal lining that blocks out both sunlight and heat, helping to keep your room significantly cooler. Consider using a portable air conditioner unit. These compact units can be moved from room to room, providing instant cooling wherever you need it most. Optimize your ceiling fan settings. Set it to rotate counterclockwise during the summer to create a downward breeze that can make you feel cooler. Create an icy breeze. Place a bowl of ice in front of a fan to blow cool air throughout the room. It's a simple and effective way to boost the cooling power. Use a dehumidifier. High humidity levels can make the room feel hotter and more uncomfortable. By removing excess moisture from the air, a dehumidifier helps create a cooler environment. Ensure proper airflow. Make sure your air vents are open and unobstructed. This allows cool air to flow freely and cool down your space efficiently. Upgrade to a programmable thermostat. This allows you to set specific temperature schedules, ensuring your AC cools your space when you need it and saves energy when you don't. Keep a handheld fan nearby. When you need an instant burst of cool air, a handheld fan can provide immediate relief. Perfect for those moments when you just can't wait for the AC to catch up. And there you have it. 13 mind-blowing ideas to help you cool down your space quickly and make the most of your air conditioner. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cool content. Stay cool, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to beat the heat. Check out these other helpful videos that you might find interesting. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.